I try to need you, but I need some lessons. I need to give it all. I try to live, but I can't. I don't know why you're the one.
I should have put you somewhere with no. I did my hair yesterday and I love it so much. I've been wanting to do that particular hairstyle for a very long time now. Like, it's just so versatile. You can pack it different styles. Like, I love it so much, but that's not what I'm here for. Hi guys, good morning. So it's currently 7 o'clock. No, it's not 7 o'clock yet. It's currently 6 it's actually 7 o'clock, like 5 minutes past 7 in the morning. Anyways, first of all, you're welcome to a new vlog. If you're seeing my face for the first time, my name is Victoria Ochuba and you're welcome to my channel. I'm a mom YouTuber based in Lagos, Nigeria, and in this channel we do everything: motherhood, lifestyle, random activities, just anything you can think of. That's what we do here. Let me just, like, random activities, motherhood vlogs, lifestyle and whatnot. So yeah, that's what we do here. If you're watching me right now, please, I would like you to subscribe to my channel. I would also like you to watch my other videos and give your support. And also, please, when you're watching my video, please watch from beginning to the end. Don't skip anyone, okay? That's how you give your full support here. But anyways, I want to, today is what's today? Today is Thursday, and I'm actually going out today. I want to, my friend is doing her court wedding today. I'm supposed to be getting ready right now, but I said to like talk to you guys first before I start getting ready. So my friend is doing her court wedding today. I want to start getting ready. My daughter, I just got her ready for school. Her boss will soon come and pick her up. So, and the time she gave me was, she said 7:45 I should be ready, and it's like 5 minutes past 7. I'm not yet ready. I don't know how fast I'm going to do that, but let's see how it goes, okay? So yeah, I just wanted to come on here and update you all. I don't know, maybe on my way back I'll be going to the market to get some food items, if that will be possible. If it's not going to be possible, I'll tell you all. But anyways, please my loves, please watch my videos from beginning to the end, okay? That's how you show your full support. Please watch my videos from beginning to the end. I love you all. Thank you so much. Bye.
Listen, you've been missing since 2016. Squid tell me one fix. You know that's my sister. When she I see by your heart I see. Come baby, come try me. Who you gonna love if you run by me, love? Too many twists and turns.
Yeah, it's looking so fine. I think I like both, but I think I prefer this. Oh Jesus! Oh my, sorry. Turn this side. Let me see. I think I prefer this one.
This one?
Yes.
Okay, this one.
Put that one. Let me see. Put that one. So we are looking so beautiful. I mean, Caponyala. Please let me show you a full view of you. I'm looking so fine.
I'm going to carry this back.
Don't need to carry the bag. Just give me. Let me hold it. Hold your flower. Just give me the bag.
Do you use your own bag? You're leaving inside the bag.
I think I'll carry it though.
Please, those workers, if they bring materials, you can't eat and
Hi, babes. Saw me? Hello.
They wanted it closer to the people. If not, it would have been Abuja. That says, one man, one woman makes a home. That man is the head of that home. But before the man can become the head, he needs to provide two places. The first one is shelter, the second one is food, and the third one is clothing. Any man that cannot provide those three things is not worthy to have a woman under his roof. But if a man provides those three things, then the woman in question must be totally submissive to that man, not as a slave, but as a good friend. If I join you today, it is only two things that can separate you guys henceforth. The first one is
Guys, look who just got married. Period. Because this guy's not people. I'll still do like full video. I just want this one for my YouTube channel. You haven't turned the camera, something for YouTube. Oh. So guys, after the court wedding ceremony, my friend's husband decided to take us to somewhere that we're going to eat. Just the four of us, that's me, my friend, her husband, and then the other witness that was around. Did I tell you guys that was a witness? Yeah, I signed her marriage register, and this is my food anyways. So you guys, I just got back to business and I am sending out my first package of the year, my first delivery of the year. And I'm also praying for more to come. So this is my first. If you guys don't know, anyway, don't worry, let me just give it to dispatch rider first, and then I'll come back and talk to you guys. Hi guys, good morning. I know it's been ages since I last spoke to you guys. Like, it's been ages since I vlogged. Hey, I'm not even joking, because the hair that I made, the hair don't old finish. I don't even come out time safe. As I'm talking to you now, I've removed the hair. I'm carrying like my natural hair right now. The most important thing is that I'm still here. How are you all doing? The last clip that I showed you all was me sending out my first order for the year, because I didn't actually resume business early again. And honestly speaking, business have not really been going well. In fact, it has gotten me in my feelings so many times, the way things are moving, like the way business is moving. Yeah? Please, if you're going to see Amara, if you see a lighter outfit, change it for her. But if she doesn't want to change it, she picked the clothes by herself. Okay, let her wear it now. Sorry, I was talking to my sister because it's actually Sunday. She's getting ready to go to church and she wants to go with my kids. So my daughter went to go and pick out her own dress. She said this is what she's going to wear to church. And the weather is very hot for that dress. If you want to remove that dress for her now, there will be war. She's going to fight us. Like I was saying, to be honest, I don't know, like, business owners, can you relate? Maybe for some business owners, people cannot relate too, because it's as if people are not buying clothes again. Okay, people are buying clothes maybe. Oh, people are not buying clothes from me. Oh, I don't understand what's going on. Like, I've posted twice. I don't know. Like, I've been thinking of ways to rebrand, like ways to actually make my business work, attract customers. If you don't know, I'm a thrift vendor. I sell thrift wears for ladies, really quality ones, first grade at that. Very, very nice thrift wears. That is what I do. And business has been really slow. I've been so down, like not all the time anyway, like most times I've been down, like it kind of gives me this mood swings that I don't understand. It's not funny at all. Like it makes it does it's not make it's not I'm not I don't feel happy about it. Let me just put it that way. I don't feel happy about it with the way this thing is going. Guys, I have some burn on my face, so I have some burn. I don't know how to clear it. Just suddenly saw it one day. I don't know how to clear it though. Anyway, so I don't know how to go about this whole thing. Normally, what I do is, if I want to sample my clothes, I use a mannequin to sample it. But I've been thinking of, wearing some of the dresses. Maybe if I wear them and post it, people will see it and they will see how it look on their body compared to the mannequin and then buy it. I don't know if that's a better option because, everybody, especially when you're a business owner, you start looking for different ways for you to improve your business and make it better. But I don't know, like you guys, I just don't know, to be honest. Like I'm really looking for ways to make this whole thing better for me. 2026, I came into 2026 very optimistic about how I want it to go for me, about like I had expectations on how I wanted my year to go for me, and my business was on top of that list because I literally started that business last year. It was last year that I started it. And when I started newly, it wasn't so bad. What's that? My sister again. When I started newly, it wasn't so bad. I mean, um, I wasn't having a lot of sales, but at least I was making sales. I don't know, maybe because I somehow stopped because we actually traveled early. We traveled for Christmas early and then we spent in fact, we spent a month and I didn't start immediately after we came back. So I somehow feel like it's also part of the reason why there is break in transmission, like the business kind of slowed down. So anyways, let me just keep my hopes high. Let me keep it high, fingers crossed, and keep praying that it gets better. But anyways, while you're still here, make sure you support me by watching this video from beginning to the end. Okay. And also, I lost someone very, very dear to me. I lost a friend. I lost a sister. She had been my friend since literally childhood. This is someone I grew up with. Like, I cannot talk about my childhood experiences without talking about her. I cannot talk about because my parents' church, we had this thing called which is not just my parents' church, which is the church that I literally grew up in. We had a lot of children programs, youth camps, guys. I cannot talk about my childhood without mentioning this person. Talking about it now, guys, it's still very fresh. It's actually a memory it's actually a pain that whenever I'm talking about it, it's kind of, I've not really come to terms with. Like, I still want to believe that this thing never really happened. She just actually moved to Lagos 3 months ago. She got married 3 months ago. And it happened. What happened? She lost her life just like that. negligence, actually, from hospitals. It was negligence. It was negligence from doctors that cost her life. Very careful. You really have to be very, very careful, because you can be very healthy and just go to the hospital to go and check yourself, and they will send you to your early grave just by giving you the wrong medications or giving you something that they are not supposed to give to you, or just by just not monitoring you closely, doing what they are supposed to do. Guys, I don't want to go into details about the thing surrounding her death, but I've been grieving also. I've not been in a very good place. That has been really tough for me. For some reason, I mean, I've lost people in my life, right? I've lost my grandparents. They were old. I've also lost two older cousins. I think that was also one of the times that I've actually felt what it feels like to grieve someone. The last time I saw her was when she took her pre-wedding pictures. She came to Lagos and she asked me to come over. So I went to see her. Like, she was telling me about, oh, please, that she would want me to be around, like help her dress up and all that, guys. I never knew that was the last time I was going to see my friend. I never knew that was the last time. If I had known that that was the last time I was going to see her, guys, I will hug her very tight. I won't even let go. I will hug her very tight. I'll tell her how much she means to me. Guys, this life is so short. Like, if anyone would tell me that one day, because this person, I literally spoke to her exactly 2 weeks before her death. The particular week that she died and the week before that, I didn't know that anything was happening to her. I never knew. I didn't get the slightest idea. And in fact, she moved to Lagos December. Yes, she moved to Lagos December, immediately after her wedding. And as at then, I hadn't traveled, so I later traveled for Christmas. I wasn't able to attend her wedding, so I was saying that, okay, when I come back, I'll come and see her officially. And ever since I came back, I've not really had the time. Like, to be honest, most of the time I will have the time to go, but I just kept procrastinating on when I was going to see her. It's part of the reasons why when I think about it, it makes me really sad. And I have this guilt that you were supposed to see this person. I don't know, maybe it wouldn't have made any difference in her death. Or I also feel like maybe it would have made a difference. Maybe I would have been aware of what the situation was. I would have, given a second opinion. I just don't know, like, a lot of thoughts have been coming to my head, and I hope I forgive myself. I really hope I forgive myself. Guys, as well, may her soul rest in peace. She's also a subscriber here, or rather, she was also a subscriber here. She loved me doing my content. She loved watching my videos. As well.